Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we'll show you how to find Ubisoft's activation code on Steam. So guys, in order to do this, as you can see, the official support page on Ubisoft website tells us that you need to choose the game from the Steam library. I will show all of this now. Select the cogwheel icon in the right, choose manage, and then CD keys. And the CD key option may not appear unless the game is already installed or is being installed. So minimizing this, for example, I will show this on the example of Suicide Squad, just a random game. So guys, you need to make sure to understand that in order for your key to show in the first place, you will need to make sure that your game is actually from Ubisoft and not any other service or publisher. So in my case, Suicide Squad is not a Ubisoft game, so I will not have that option. Alright guys, you right click, go to manage, and there's going to be either here a button that says manage CD keys or CD keys, or it can also be in the properties. As you can see, there are various tabs in here. You can also find probably somewhere around here the button for your key, and you will be able to copy it and use it in any place you'd like. But in general, that's how it's done. Very easy, in just a few clicks. Hopefully this helps you out. Enjoy the video, like and subscribe guys. See you in the next one.